Drag your feet, do a wheel.
Look at him.
This is like Robert own little circus.
Oh yeah. Get the panda head on him.
Yeah, I put the panda head on him. That's too funny. Tony, look at Gary.
There's a guy that has no shame. Yasmin, bring the panda head here. Hurry up.
That is hilarious.
Put the panda head on, Gary.
Hurry up.
Good time.
All I'm saying is overload trail.
Yeah, I can do it on there.
Fast, hey, Fast Steve.
Yeah, Fast Steve.
Yeah, real quick. Let Gary wear the panda head.
It's hard to see, so.
Oh, you can see out of it. Put it on.
This is funny.
Can you see?
That is hilarious.
It takes a while for him to get going.
He needs to go up by the road.
Oh, look at him.
That is hilarious.